Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're talking about ProtonMail for Business, the privacy-focused, end-to-end encrypted email solution designed for teams, startups, and companies that care about security. So, what exactly is ProtonMail for Business? It's an email hosting service built by the creators of ProtonMail, but tailored specifically for business users. It combines the privacy and encryption Proton is known for, with team collaboration tools, admin controls, and custom domain support. Let's break it down. First, ProtonMail for Business lets you use your own domain. So instead of your name at ProtonMe, you can send and receive mail from something like contact@yourcompany.com. This is essential for professional branding and credibility. Second, you get access to multiple user accounts, which means your whole team can be under one secure environment. Admins can create, manage, and remove users easily, and set role-based permissions to control who can do what. Now let's talk privacy and security, Proton's biggest strength. Every email you send is end-to-end encrypted, meaning not even Proton can read your messages. Plus, all data is stored in Switzerland, under some of the world's strongest privacy laws. No trackers, no scanning, no ads. Just secure email communication. There's also support for Proton Calendar and Proton Drive, so your team can securely manage events and store files in one encrypted workspace. All from a clean, unified dashboard. In terms of collaboration, ProtonMail supports shared folders, custom labels, and organization-wide search, all while keeping your data fully private. If your business handles sensitive information, whether it's client data, legal documents, or internal memos, ProtonMail gives you the peace of mind traditional email services can't. Now, what about pricing? ProtonMail for Business is available as part of the Proton for Business suite, which starts at a reasonable monthly rate per user, depending on the features and storage you need. You also get priority support and access to future updates across all Proton services. So, is ProtonMail for Business worth it? If your company values security, compliance, and data ownership, the answer is yes. It's perfect for teams that want encrypted communication without compromising on functionality or branding. That's it for this overview. Let me know in the comments if you've tried ProtonMail for Business, or if you're thinking of making the switch. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more privacy-focused tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.